What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about what is auto hold. The auto hold feature is you taking your feet off your brake and it's still braking and it's still acting like you're applying a brake, but the whole time you're resting your feet and you're like, yo, chilling. So then to get out of the auto hold feature is just put your feet on the accelerator and your car go. I can take my feet off the brake. Yes, you can take your feet off the brake and your car will still be braking and your brake lights will still be on. So this is a cool feature, as in stop and go traffic, stop light, as in you getting off of work on a rough day and you got traffic and you're like, yo, you in that stop and go traffic and you just apply the brake and you take your feet off the brake and yeah, you resting, and then when it's about to go, just apply the, a little gas, and then guess what? You just apply the brake again. It sounds like a lot, but it's really not. That feature is pretty good. So even if you're on a hill or an incline, guess what you can do? The auto hold feature will hold your vehicle on the hill so it would not roll back or roll forward. And you can still be taking your feet off the brake, relaxing. And then when you're ready to go, you just press the gas pedal and you can go. The auto hold feature is pretty cool. I've been in a lot of cars where it have that feature, and I apply the brakes once and boom, I take my feet off the brake and I'm chilling. And when it's time for me to go, guess what? I just go. The auto hold feature keeps the vehicle at a complete stop until you press the accelerator. This is useful for stop and go traffic or traffic lights because, like I said, you can just take your feet right off the brake and you chilling until the light turn green or traffic start. You just press the accelerator and you can go. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.